नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं रिद्धि को ऑन योगा बाय योगिनी. We come live every day at Gorkha Voice on FB, and we do a program that is Fitness Mantra by Yogini. Today's topic is how can we get a better butt by yoga, or can we get a better butt by yoga? Absolutely yes. We will do few poses along with you wherein you can actually work and tone your glute. First of all, most of us we think that yoga is specifically for stretching, relieving pains or aches in the body. My dear friends, yoga is actually an effective way to sculpt and tone your muscles. If we focus on certain yoga poses, you can actually work on different parts of your body and make it strong. So today the focus is, before we dive into the asanas or yoga poses specifically to strengthen and define your butt, we would like to discuss with you few points. First of all, let me tell you something. Yoga uses isometric holds to build strength and endurance. Secondly, isometric क्या करता है? Isometric training puts the muscle into stress, into tension, and then it increases the resistance, and then you accordingly your strength will start growing. You start building your strength of that particular area. So today we will work on our glute area so that we can sculpt and tone our muscle of that particular part. And definitely you will see the benefit. Once you keep doing these asanas regularly, you will see the benefit. Okay, without wasting much time, we will start the first pose, that is goddess pose. First of all, let's take deep breath. It's all about balancing your body. It's all right. Nobody gets to balance the body in first go. You have to have a balance when it comes to working on your any part of your body. Feet apart in a 45-degree. Hands going up, and then you go down like this and hold. Back, relax. Second is, I'll stand here only and I will try and hold my ankle and bring it towards my chest. How will I do it? Like this, and hold. Here I'm working on my glute again. Relax. For the second side, try and balance. Back. Next is chair pose. How do we do that? Go straight, body straight, and try and sit as if you're sitting on a chair. Exhale. One more time. Exhale. Very nice. Next is the warrior pose. How we will do it? Like this. Warrior pose 1. We will do warrior pose 2. We have to balance, okay? It's alright. Let's balance first. Balance. Balance yourself. Let's balance first. Okay, it's balanced now. Let's take it further up. Further up. More up. Okay, perfect. Perfect. And now fold. Back. You have to hold this position. We try it again. Like this. Hold. Back. So this is how we do a warrior pose. We'll do it again, facing forward, like this. Back. So it is a little difficult pose wherein you have to balance your area. You keep practicing it and you develop a balance on your glute area. Next comes is lifting with it's a glute bridge, it's a hip thrust. We lie down on our back and hold this position. This particular asana also helps in toning the muscles of your butt area. Relax. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. So these were the few asanas that is very important when we do or we work or on our muscles, specifically when we work or tone on the muscles of our glute. So I hope you like the video. Keep practicing the warrior pose. It requires a lot of balance. I am still learning and I want you all also to learn along with me. And please follow me on Gorkha Voice. We come every day live at 8 o'clock in the morning from Monday to Friday. With that note, I'm signing off today now. I am Riddhi and you're watching me on a video, a short video that is on a YouTube channel that is Yoga by Yogini. Thanks so much.